How to fix Instagram Reels, something went wrong. So if you're facing a problem of Instagram Reels, first you have to make sure that your app is up to date. So to check that, you have to open up your Play Store application, and then here you will have a search bar, right? Simply tap on the search bar and then search for Instagram, and here under the Instagram, if you have an update option, you can simply tap on update, and then you have to update your Instagram application. After updating, if this still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your phone settings, and then after opening, you can go to apps and notifications, and under that you can go for see all apps, and here scroll down and find your Instagram application, and then here you will have a bunch of options. You can simply go for storage and cache, and then here you will have two options, right? One is clear storage and another one is clear cache. You can simply tap on clear cache, and you have to clear all of the cache that is on Instagram. So this might fix your problem. And the last fix is to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then it might be a problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.